Dear learners, how are you? I think that you are well. By the grace of Allah, we are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, I always think for yours, as you know that there is large vacation. You are wasting your time. I always think for yours. What are you doing now? Read or writing? I think that you are wasting time. Please be careful for the time. You know that all the schools have been closed as COVID-19. When the school reopen, I don't know. If Allah help us, then the school reopen. Dear students, welcome to English second part class 6, 7, 8 and all class syllabus. So, dear students, sit on the table and listen to my lecture with very attentively. If you listen, then you will complete the topic. Dear students, see the some slide and you will be able to tell me what kinds of topic I want to discuss now. Dear students, see the topic and try to think what kind of topics will be today. So see, let's talk about, we see some pictures. Dear students, you know that one picture, a man and woman are talking, and other pictures, a boy praying to his God, and other pictures, a teacher write or teach something to their students, and other pictures we think that a man is ashamed for his work and other is thoughtless. So, dear students, we see that we know there are 5 kinds of sentence. Every sentence has. So, we think that what kinds of topic today, dear students. So, think that today our topic is assertive to exclamatory in transformation. Dear students, last class I have discussed about transformation in affirmative to negative, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive, assertive to imperative, imperative to assertive. Today I will discuss about assertive to exclamatory, exclamatory to assertive. Dear students, this topic is need for the whole class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are be attentive to the lecture, I think that you will complete the topics. Dear students, see, firstly we know that what is the learning outcomes of the lesson. See, learning outcomes of the lesson. By finishing end of the lesson, student will able to make exclamatory sentence. Next, able to select the sentence, able to change the exclamatory to assertive. Here, firstly we know that what is exclamatory sentence. Dear students, think. Can you tell me what is exclamatory sentence? Fine. Dear students, exclamatory sentence which express a certain feeling or emotion of mind is called exclamatory. As usually we say that as expression is mind or mind expression. To when you speak each other, then if you feel mind expression, then will be exclamatory sentence. Dear students, see again, a sentence which expresses a certain feelings or emotion of mind is called exclamatory sentence. Dear student, next see example, what a fool you are. তুমি কতই না বোকা, কত বোকা তুমি. So say another example, I am alas, I am undone. I can say in Bangla, hi, I am undone, আমার সর্বনাশ. Dear students, let's roles of assertive to exclamatory. Dear students, I also requested you, please note your khata. I think that if you note, when you cannot give the change assertive to exclamatory, if you see, then you will complete the lesson. Dear students, see roles 1 beginning. We know that when I make exclamatory sentence assertive to exclamatory, then remember that beginning the sentence how or what. Beginning how and what. So when if the sentence has a and we use what, and then any other how. Dear students, remember that beginning the sentence how or what. Beginning the sentence how or what, but if the sentence has a and then sit what. Otherwise how. Understand? Next, B, after use adjective. We know, I think that you do not know the what is adjective. Easily we remember that after verb whole sentence parts is adjective when you make exclamatory sentence. Dear students, then after adjective plus extra plus subject plus verb. After exclaim chinna. At the end of the exclamatory sentence uses exclaim marks. There are roles 3. Dear students, remember that I also said again beginning how and what. Beginning how and what. If the sentence has a and then sits what. Otherwise how. After adjective plus extension plus subject plus verb. Last at the end of the sentence you use exclaim mark. Dear students, see a example. I write down. He is very clever. Very clever. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever boy. He is very clever boy. Dear students, try to. This is assertive sentence. Then exclamatory. I told you that first select how or what. Here has no a or n, so set how. How after adjective clever boy. Adjective clever, C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. Then extension boy, clever boy. After subject he. After plus is verb. At the end of the sentence question mark. Dear students, firstly I told you again beginning how or what, after adjective, after subject, after verb and exclaim mark. Just if the sentence very or great, then withdraw. You know that very or great is same word, similar word how and what. So don't use two words similar in a sentence. So great and very withdraw in the when you change the exclamatory sentence. When you change exclamatory sentence, then you withdraw great or very. So dear student, I said you again how, adjective, subject, verb, exclaim mark. Dear students, see another example. You are very clever. How clever you are. Here see another example. She is a tall girl. So firstly how or what. you know that what a and here has a sentence a or n. So a, dear students, a. So what a tall girl she is. Dear student, I think that you have understood. Next, see rules 1. Subject plus wish plus subject to assertive case. Dear student, we see that a same sentence. If the sentence has subject plus verb, subject, wish plus subject, युक्त assertive sentence के when I change into exclamatory sentence, then you will see the structure if or would that. Subject wish is would do, then if or would that. Then you see if or would that, then subject plus exclamation plus exclamation mark. Dear students, when you see subject and wish, so withdraw subject and wish withdraw, then you use if or would that. After would that, then you use subject and extra and exclamation mark. See the example. I wish I were a singer. So I wish I were is withdraw in the sentence. If I were a singer. So if or would that plus subject plus exclamation. Dear students, see another example. Would that I were a singer. I think that dear learners, you have understood. Please see the example, another example, and try to complete. If I were a member. You think that if you tell me if I were, so I wish I were a member. So if I were a member, I wish I were a great teacher. I wish if I were a great teacher. So next, see another example. If you find in a sentence, it is matter of joy that, it is matter of sorrow that, it is matter of regret that, it is matter of shameful that. If you find in assertive sentence, it is matter of joy that, it is matter of sorrow that, it is matter of regret that, it is matter of shameful that. If you find when you change into assertive sentence, then you will cut, withdraw, then you will hurrah, as 5 extension that are for after that. So see the example. It is matter of joy that we have all the maths. It is matter of joy that withdraw, then you will hurrah and as 5. We see that these statements understand the hurrah. So hurrah, we have all the maths. See the answer, hurrah, we have all the maths. Dear learners, I think that you have understood. If you sentence, if you get while you asserted that, remember change it, same. Dear students, I think you have understood the lesson. You will try to in your house. Dear students, so write down your khata for the homework. Dear students, you are very full, exclamatory. He is a good boy, exclamatory. How dirty the road is, assertive. Alas, we have lost the mess. Dear students, see another. Alas, we have lost mess, assertive. So 5, you are cheat. Write down. I think you have understood the text. You will complete the questions. If you do not understand, then you will call me or ask me in the Facebook status. Dear students, you know that you have get lot of time, so don't waste times. You will read in your house very attentively. Don't run to and fro. Be care for your health. The government rules, stay home and stay safe. Thanks to all my dear students. So I also requested you read in your house. Never waste times. Okay, Allah Hafiz.